Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install LibreOffice latest version, that is 25 on AlmaLinux OS 9.7, but the process is same on all AlmaLinux versions. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to LibreOffice official website. It is LibreOffice.org. See here the latest release is 25.8. Click on download or download, both are same. Click on download, then select the download LibreOffice. See here we have the 25.8.3. okay, then select the RPM package from this list, then click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 233 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download complete, we will unzip this zip file and we will install. Okay, in meantime please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads, ls tar, unzip this file tar-accept, then libre, press the tab to autofill entire file name from your keyboard, hit enter, ls, go to this LibreOffice folder, ls, see here we have the RPMs folder, go to that RPMs, ls, see here we have the list of the RPM packages that needs to be installed. So sudo rpm-ivh no deps star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter, put the password of the sudo user, hit enter. It is success. Control A. Now go to activities, show applications. See here we have the LibreOffice applications. Okay, so we have successfully installed LibreOffice 25.8 on AlmaLinux OS 9.7. As I told you, process is same on all AlmaLinux versions. Okay, for more Linux tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.